second test mode, that is objective driven test. So as I have given in the previous session, there are three modes that I have framed it. First one is prompt driven test that I have already given the flow and the demos, approach 1 and approach 2. The second one is the objective driven test. In this session, I'm going to cover the flow that I have built for this session. Okay, let's move ahead. So this is my this is the flow that I have built for this one, objective driven test, because we are giving the objective and generating the test. That's why I have given the objective driven test. So a regular flow that we have to securely authenticated into the LAMBDATEST the platform using the given credentials. Okay, that might be a enterprise credentials or partner credentials or general user credentials that we have used it. So we have I envision or formatted this particular test creation in the two stages, so that basic users or new automation engineers can easily understand what I'm talking about here. Okay, the test that will be created in the two stages. One is the stage one, which the predominantly accepts the object input in the natural language format by the KaneAI system, and that will be taken to a scheduled task, which is a kind of a background process, and that will allow you to invoke the web agent, which process the building the test for the automation, and then invoke the playground where the library will be available to see end user the actions is going to take by given the given objective. Okay, and then it will once the process is completed, it will ask end user to the save test in the test manager. Okay, so that is the process, stage 1 and stage 2. And edit steps, this is the next the process for this the creation as well. Edit steps process is common for all three test modes. Okay, so all three test modes will be having facility to execute the final test on the hyper execute. You can plan it. Version history is available, code generation is available, and it will allow users to download the particular project. Okay, all these are all available for all three test modes, but the way of creating the test is a bit different across the three modes. So in this particular objective driven test, we have the stage 1 and stage 2, where we can provide the objective to the AI interface, and that will process this particular given objective and interpret it and create this schedule. The schedule will form a process and understand that objective and create its steps automatically, and then complete the build test process will allow end user to the save test into the test manager. Okay, so this is the objective driven test that I have framed it, so that we can easily connect, and when we are working on this particular AI service, AI agent. Okay, so that's all I have in this particular session for this objective driven test flow, and I'll give you a demo in the next session how to work on this particular test. Thank you.